Okay, let's move on to the basic terms. These are some of the most frequently used terms when we talk about cloud computing. Number one is VM. VM stands for virtual machine. Virtual machine is an emulation of the computer system based on the computer architecture, and it provides the functionality of a physical computer. In simple words, it means that it is a digital version of your physical computer. Virtual machines run on the physical machine, and it is no different than any other physical computer like a laptop or smartphone or a server. Virtual machine is managed by a software called a hypervisor. Virtual machines behave similarly to a standalone system. They have a CPU, memory, and disk, and they can also run programs and operating system. They can store data, connect to the networks, and they can do other computing functions as well. Number two, IT resources. IT resources can be physical or virtual IT related artifacts that can be software based or hardware based. It means all the hardware, software, network, equipment, and the technical knowledge owned or used by a company is nothing but the IT resources. It includes your data storage, your servers, your databases, as well as the softwares. On-premises. On-premises refers to the firm's on-site hosting of the IT infrastructure. This is best for the organizations that desire to control the entire platform. In simple words, the company owns everything from provisioning servers to deployment, updating, backup, etc. All the tasks are done by the IT team of the company. Before cloud computing came into picture, companies used to keep all of their data and the software on their own hard drives and the servers. Number 4, cloud consumers. Cloud consumer can be a person or it could be an organization that purchases cloud services. For example, we may purchase a cloud service from EC2 to host our website as a cloud consumer. Cloud consumer finds, evaluates, and purchases cloud services for their use. The cloud consumer signs a formal contract with the cloud provider to use the IT resources. Number 5, cloud providers. A cloud provider is a third-party company that provides a cloud-based platform, infrastructure, application, or the storage services. The cloud provider is responsible for the security and the privacy of the cloud service. They own the physical infrastructure as well as the visualized services that are built upon the infrastructure. For example, Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, Oracle Cloud. These are some of the well-known major companies, but there are hundreds of other cloud service providers all over the world.